This video is the solution for the question in Effective Maths 1 on page 177, question 21. There's two parts in this question. First of all, we want to find x for which this series has a finite sum, so where it's possible to find the sum to infinity. And then I want to actually go on and find the sum to infinity. As normal with sequences and series, it's a good plan to make a note of your a and your r at the beginning of the question. A, of course, is term 1, in this case that's x. R can be calculated as term 2 divided by term 1, and I can cancel that down in this case to give me 2 bracket 1 minus x. If you like, you can multiply this out, so r is 2 minus 2x. Remember that we'll have a finite sum for an infinite series if and only if the absolute value of r is less than 1. I can also say this as r is between negative 1 and positive 1. So we have our r value here, 2 minus 2x, and I'm going to write that as between minus 1 and positive 1. This double inequality then can be written as two separate inequalities, and I need to solve both to find my possible values of x. If you look at the actual written question, it talks about values, plural, of x. That kind of gives us a hint we should be expecting two different solutions. On solving the first inequality, I get x is less than 3 over 2. With the second equality, I've gone as far as minus 2x is less than minus 1. I want to change my x term to be positive. This will have the knock-on effect of changing signs across the inequality, and it'll also change the direction of the inequality symbol. So I get two solutions overall. X is less than 3 over 2, x is greater than a half. So what this means is that this series, x plus 2 over x times 1 minus x plus 4, and so on and so forth, has a finite sum when x is less than 3 over 2 and x is greater than a half. I can write this as one statement, saying that we have a finite sum for this particular series when x is between a half and 3 over 2. The question now asks me to find the sum to infinity, or the finite sum, in terms of x. Remember, the formula for the sum to infinity is a over 1 minus r. A and r are the same as before. And just be careful to put r in a bracket when subbing it in to watch out for that negative in front of it. Then we'll simplify, and our result is x over 2x minus 1.